Assalamu alaikum. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, let's start.
Hi, welcome to lesson 42. Now it's the time for the last conjugation of the imperative, which is Antunna. Antunna, it means you all, but this group you took two, all of them are girls, females. And the conjugation we add for this, you add at the end of the word is noon with fatha. So if we have the default here, anta, you order someone to travel, safir, or anta, il'ab. Il'ab means play. Il'ab. And now we need to change this for not anta. We need to say antunna. Antunna. So we add at the end noon with fatha. Antunna safirna. Antunna il'abna. Of course, this is not how we write il'abna. We write it like this. Connected. Il-ab-na. This is for lesson 42.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or topics you would like to see next. And make sure to subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with new videos. See you the next lesson.